Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
So when it starts to get warm outside, you start feeling like spring and summer, what's the first thing you think about? Outdoor space. Sometimes you have a deck already, or maybe you need to add a deck to your home. But there are very important things to think about when you're adding a deck to your home. You want to think about the products that you're using. There are multiple composite opportunities. There's TimberTech, which is shown here. There's Trex, there's Wolf. But within each of those products, there's different levels, there's different styles. Some of them have a more pronounced wood grain, some of them are more solid. It really boils down to the aesthetic that you're looking for. One of the design aspects you want to think about when doing your deck is the railings. Again, there are lots of different options. You can go with a more traditional wood framed railing. There are vinyl rails, which are an easy, low maintenance option. This deck has a cable rail, so if you're looking for a modern, sleek look, or if you've got great views that you don't want to inhibit with the cable rails, it's a great option. Details matter when building a deck. It may seem simple, but it's not. One of those is to make sure that you have picture frame framing on the stairs. You want those nice, clean finishes and not raw edges of wood or composite material. And if your deck finishes out on a patio, maybe you want pavers, maybe you want stamped concrete, the bottom line is, whatever you need, F&S Building Innovations can help you.